Welcome to WebStylePlus. Write a function that finds all prime numbers in a given range using JavaScript. I have two methods to do that. In this video, we will look into that. But before that, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I am bringing similar content on this topic. Okay. Define two functions, findPrimes and isPrime. findPrimes takes in two arguments, a start and an end number. It will return an array of prime numbers between the start and end. Inside findPrimes function, initialize an empty array called primes. Use a for loop to iterate over the range of numbers from start to end. For each number, call the isPrime function, this function, passing in the current loop variable as argument. If the isPrime function returns true, the current number is a prime number. In that case, add it to the primes array. After the loop, return the primes array. Now the test of prime number is remaining. That we will do in second function. isPrime takes in one argument, a number. It will return a boolean indicating whether or not the number is a prime number. First check if the number is less than or equal to 1. If so, return false, since 1 is not a prime number. Use a for loop to iterate over the range of numbers from 2 to the square root of the input number. Within the loop, check if the input number is divisible by the current loop variable. If so, return false, since a number is not prime if it is divisible by any number other than 1 and itself. If the for loop completes and no divisor were found, return true, indicating that the input number is a prime number. This function will be used by first function. Both are dependent on each other. Call the function with two numbers, starting number and ending number, as arguments, which will return an array of prime numbers for the given range of numbers. So between 2 and 20, these are the prime numbers. Between 30 and 50, these are prime numbers. Alright. Second method is very special and easy. Define a single function that takes in a single argument, to num. It will return an array of prime numbers up to and including to num. Use the Sieve of Eratosthenes algorithm to find prime numbers. This algorithm works by creating an array, Sieve, of boolean values, initialized to false. Also initialize variables of I, j, and primes. Primes is initialized with empty array. And then iterate over the range of numbers from 2 to 2 num. For each number in the range, if the value of the number in the Sieve array is false, it means that number is prime. Add it to the primes array. Starting from the number multiplied by 2 and going up to 2 num, each multiple of the number is marked as true in the Sieve array, which means that these multiples are not prime. After the loop, return the primes array, which contains all prime numbers from 2 to 2 num. Call the function with input number, which will return an array of prime numbers to the given limit. For 10, I get these prime numbers, less than 10. And for 20, I get this range of prime numbers, below 20. So this is how we can find all prime numbers in a given range using JavaScript. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.